Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I have a little bit of a haul from items that I got from the Dollar Tree and from Goodwill. So if you're interested in seeing that, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay. First, I did a little Dollar Tree haul. I posted a couple of shorts about it, of some things that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. They have their seeds, some of their pots. I don't think they have everything out that they're going to put out because right now they have Valentine's and what's that one in March with the leprechaun, whatever the one is in March. They have all that stuff out too. So I think once Valentine's Day is over, then they'll move more of the gardening stuff out. But right now, they just have a few things out, and they do have the flower seeds and their vegetable seeds as well. So let's go through a few things that I picked up. Their seeds are now 4 for $1.25 as opposed to 4 for $1 what they had last year. So I got some red Corit, Chantenay carrots. I got some Scarlet Nantes carrots. I like carrots because I cannot grow carrots for my life. But I'm going to again, I keep growing a few. I think I've gotten 3 or 4 carrots out of there from my 2024 garden. So we're going to plant some more seeds and see what we get. I do have a few still out there growing. So I may get a little bit more, but we'll see how that goes. I also got some Detroit dark red Morse's strain beets. I don't really like beets. I like pickled beets. I love pickled, spicy pickled beets. Sweet, spicy, but more spicy. But someone told me, I think I probably had that upside down, but maybe not. Someone told me to just put them in the oven and roast them like you do a baked potato, and they don't have that taste. So the next one I grow, I'm going to try it that way and see how I like it. So yeah, so I did get another pack of beets. I do have some, I think I have some yellow beets maybe. So I'm going to plant those as well as the red ones because I've never pickled the yellow ones. I've tried to grow them. They never grow. So I'm going to plant them again as well as these and see what I get. And I think I may have ordered some from Free Heirloom Seeds. So we'll see about those as well. I did pick up a pack of gourmet blend radishes. So it has the I think they're called scarlet red, and I don't know what the white ones are called, but it's a mixture of the two. So I have that. I have some more purple top white globe turnips. I more so love the turnip greens as opposed to the turnips, but I do eat the turnips. I will cut them up sometimes and put them in my greens, or just roast them. So we have that. I don't know why I got this, but this is the Watham butternut winter squash, because I have butternut squash already. I think the butternut squash that I have is from my actual seeds from some that I purchased from the grocery store. So I don't think I have a pack of seeds, so I bought those. I guess that may be the reason why. I bought 2 packs of chives because sometimes chives don't come up. So I got 2 packs because I want to plant those. And then my last one is white Lisbon bunching onions. I have some bunching onions, but I think I may not. So that's why I bought a pack, because I planted a bunch of onions that didn't come up for some reason or another. So I got those. I got another pack of these. I like these. They usually only last a year. They have the small ones, 2 sets of the small ones, and then the large ones. And it is, I don't know how many in here. It just says 2 sizes, but it don't say how many is in here. But I like these, but they only, after the summer, from the Georgia heat, I guess, they break. the plastic breaks on it. So, but they're $1.25. So I do like those. I also got, I got some more seeds. I got a pack of thyme. I did plant all these last year. They didn't come up. I put some in my little container with the old ones. I don't know if I don't think they're going to grow back. So I got some more seeds so I can replant them. Hopefully they grow back. I have a cute little butterfly thermometer. This is for my greenhouse because I want to know how hot it is in there. I think it's really hot in there, especially on warm days, because I open it up and I'm like, whoo, like 80 some degrees. I got my peppers, tomatoes, eggplants, tomatillos. I think that might be all I have in there right now. Nothing has come up yet. So I'm hoping something comes up soon, especially with it being warm again outside. So it's warm in the greenhouse. It may get a little bit too hot, but I'm also going to put some more kohlrabi, plant some more collards, and some more dino kale, because what's in the garden now, the 10-degree weather and the snow kind of make them look a little iffy. And I might plant a few more cabbages, and probably broccoli too. I don't know. I'm just gonna plant a bunch of seeds, and see if they make it through the hot, because I think we're probably gonna get a really hot summer again, but we may not. We'll see. But I'm gonna plant them, start them off, and put them in there in March, and hope they don't bolt from it getting too hot. So this is what I got. I also got, oh, I got more seeds. See? I also got some seeds that I ordered online too. But anywho, let me keep to the Dollar Tree before I go to that. So I got 2 bags of thyme apparently, because here's another one. I think I got $5 worth of seeds. And I got some Swiss chard. I think I had some of this, but I got some more all the same. And then the last 2 things I got, I spent $8. I don't know how you spent $8.72 when cause of that still don't make no sense. $8.72 for Dollar Tree, but that's what I spent. I got one of these the garden. What is it? The garden is my happy place, because the garden is. I'm going to put this on one of my little banisters. Or I might hang it on this. I bought this as well to put in the garden. It's one of those stakes that sticks in the ground. You hang the little flag. It's a metal flagpole. These are $1. So I might just hang it like this out in the garden. Maybe. I haven't decided yet. Or I might just use this to hang some flowers from it in the garden, a little flower pot, because I got a bunch of those hanging flower pot. I don't know, but that's what I bought. I bought it for this, but I don't know if I'm gonna use that or if I'm just gonna hang this on one of my poles. So got that, because the garden is my happy place. And that is it that I got from the Dollar Tree. I did also go to the Goodwill, and I picked up I picked up 3 things, which they came to $16.17. I got this little bag for running. I have one, but it's a bigger one, and I wanted a smaller one. I've been doing 5Ks. And then I also when I go through my neighborhood. So this was $5. Oh, the zippers don't work on this one. Oh, it does. So it has one pocket here, and then the main pocket. See if it got any pockets in the inside. Nope, but it does have a pocket on the back. So I thought it was a good deal for $5, because I can keep one in each car in case I'm out and then decide I want to go walking, because I got one in one of my cars but not in the other one. So now I have 3 total, because I keep one in the house. So I got 4 of those. I got me another little basket for harvesting. This basket was $3.09. I thought it was very cheap, and I was happy. It was green. I wasn't lucky enough to, it wasn't green day that day. If you go to Goodwill and get stuff based on the day, the color, you get additional, I think 20% off. And then I think one day is for senior citizens. And I say I'm a senior citizen because my head is white. So I say I'm one. So, and the other thing was one of those trays that you put in the bathtub. It was new. That you sit your iPad or something on. You can see it had a hole for like your wine or whatever. I already took that upstairs. So I'm not going back up there and get it. But it was, I think that was $6. Everything was $6. Yep. That tray was, why did I say it was 3-piece? Anyway, that tray was $6.99. Yeah, $6.99. So that's all I got from there. And then I ordered some more seeds. I also ordered some more seeds from in my gardener, but I forgot to stop by my PO box and pick them up. So they're still over there. I showed them in another video. But for this video, I ordered something from Baker Creek. Heirloom seeds. I got these melon rich sweetness 132. They got new commercials. And that little man that's doing that commercial, he be selling me on stuff. And he was eating these just straight, melon, didn't peel it or nothing. He just ate the rind and everything. So I was like, oh, I want them. And they're like this big. So I hope they're good. I'm going to plant them. And then I got some comfrey. I'm want to grow this. I know this grows wild, but I just bought some seeds. I'm going to plant them and I'm going to put, and I know they multiply. So I'm going to put one in between each one of my garden beds on the end of each one. 1, 2, 3. I got 3 garden beds. One I keep something else. So I'm going to plant three plants in between the 3 garden beds and one on one end. Yeah, so I can have some comfrey. It has medicinal values to it. It's a healing. You can put the leaf and lay it on top of wounds. It helps for that I've read. Other things, do your own research. Do your own research. And that's what I'm going to use that for. So that is it as far as what I picked up recently from Dollar Tree, Goodwill, and then this Soulwriter seeds. I got these from Amazon. And I had them for a while. I raised up my console in the middle of my car. And they were in there. I forgot. I think one day they were on the porch and I picked them up and put them in there and went somewhere and forgot. And I was cleaning out my car and found these. I know I've at least had them for a month. So, yeah. So that's it. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below. Like, comment, and share. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye-bye.